Hi, and welcome to our website ESS.engineering. In this tutorial we will overview how our online tool can be used to design an on-premises laundry. Once you open the website, scroll down to the OPL design form and press Start. Answer all the form questions. The type of the facility. Let's assume it's a hotel. What will the laundry be serving? Let's assume bed linen, staff uniforms and guest cloths. Next. The total number of beds. Let's assume 500 bed. Next. The number of staff. Let's say 300 staff members. Next. The average occupancy rate. Let's stay with the suggested 85%. Next. The number of working hours per day. Let's keep the 8 hours per day. Next. The period of linen change. Is it twice a day, daily, twice a week or weekly? Let's assume it's daily. Next. What's the main heat energy source? I'll assume steam. How do you want to balance your design between budget and features? Do you want to minimize the budget or maximize the features or try to balance both? Let's maximize. Then you'll need to put your email. And any email will work even if Gmail. What is the project name? I'll type demo but please do put the real name. Then you'll need to provide the location. I'll put the USA, state of Florida. And city of Avon Park. Next. What is your role in this project? I'll say I'm the consultant. Submit. And that's it. Now we'll wait a couple of minutes and check our email. Now, we've received an email from ESS OPL Designer and it has some attachments. It also says that we can reply to the same email for further requirements. So let's have a look on those attached files. First, we have a detailed laundry design criteria, or what is sometimes named a concept report. The file explains the basis of the design made and provides valuable information regarding the laundry area such as the architectural recommendations for floors, walls and ceiling. The second file is just a cover page for the detailed specification. The third file is a drawing that shows the linen flow and provides the general guidelines for the laundry layout. Next we have a detailed specification for each equipment with photos, descriptions and web links. Then there is a bill of quantities summarizing the equipment of each area. Next is a technical data spreadsheet with all the MEP requirements per machine, along with data related to their weights and dimensions. Finally, we have an editable Google Sheet with the cover, BOQ, specifications and technical data that can be edited or downloaded as an Excel file. We hope you will enjoy using our tools and if you need further assistance please don't hesitate to contact us. Our email is ess@ess.engineering.